In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop all scam emails if you use Outlook or Hotmail. Scam emails can be annoying, cluttering your inbox, and even posing risk to your security. But don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to block them and protect your account. First, go to the Outlook login page and sign in with your email and password. Once signed in, you'll land on your Outlook homepage. Next, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. From here, select Mail and then Junk Email. In the Junk Email settings, look for Block Senders and Domains. Enter the addresses you want to block and click Add. Now, emails from these senders won't reach your inbox again. To make sure real messages don't get marked as junk, use the Safe Sender section. Add your trusted contacts and domains so their emails always land in your inbox. And that's it. By updating your blocked and safe lists regularly, you'll keep your Outlook inbox clean, secure, and free from scam emails.